Your heart is only compatible with hasanat, good deeds. It's not compatible with sins. And that's why a person who tries to eat by shoving food into his ear, or tries to drink by pouring a fluid into his eye, the outcome of both of those limbs will be damage. Because the eye was designed to receive light. It wasn't designed to receive fluid. Your ear was designed to receive sound. It wasn't designed to receive food. And similarly, your heart was designed to receive Allah, wahi, deen, Quran, righteousness, tawbah, dhikr, good friends, salah. The moment you try to put inside of it sins, you're putting things inside of it that are not compatible with it, and so it begins to bleed. And that blood is in the form of grief, misery, darkness, loneliness, emptiness, sadness.